Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another spring cleaning video in my spring cleaning series. Today we are tackling the bathroom. It needs some major attention and it just needs a good deep clean. As you can see, it is pretty messy, especially the mirror because, you know, kids, they just always make a mess of the mirror. I don't know why. But make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video. I am going to show you how I got my grout from looking dingy and gross and dirty to looking like brand new. So I'm just going to start off by taking down the curtains and taking down the shower curtain and putting those in the wash because I genuinely do not do that enough. Now you can really see what I am actually working with because it was actually really dirty in this bathroom and super dusty. So I'm just taking the Swiffer duster and I am getting all of the baseboards, I am getting the corners, I am getting the vents and all of that. And wait until you see the duster that I was using. It was absolutely filthy.
I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Don't let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. Lights are shining bright. My friends are in the club, we'll go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music and the chase. Like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes.
Alright, so you can see how gross the grout is around the toilet and everywhere. Really, I tried the solution that I'm going to use a little while ago on certain spots, so there it looks okay, but let me show you over here. You can see I did right near the doorway, but all in here obviously needs to get done. So I made a little concoction of baking soda, a little bit of thieves, and some white vinegar. So I am just going to start scrubbing.
Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes. Can't get enough. I can't get enough. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes. Can't get enough. Can't get enough.
So I had tried out different methods and different home remedies, and this one just worked the best. It was the least messy, and I do think getting this little brush set that I got really helped because I used a big brush last time, so it got all over all of the tile and everything too, which was good because it got cleaned as well, but it was a little bit harder to scrub and really get into the grout. So I do think the brush also made a big difference. So this was so good, and it truly transformed the bathroom. It is so much brighter, and it just looks so much cleaner because it's obviously not dingy and gross looking. So these brushes, I got these at Target. I did like a Target pickup, and I think it was like $6 for it was this brush and a little bit bigger one. So it is truly worth the money. So after I let it set for a little bit, I'm just going in with a little bit of water and just getting everything wiped up. After I wiped everything up, I just let it dry for probably about a half an hour because you are working with baking soda, so it can become like kind of gritty. So I just let it sit for a little bit and get really dry, and then I went in with my Dyson vacuum and just vacuumed everything up, and I just saw that there was a little like spots from when I was cleaning the tile and the grout that it kind of splashed up on the baseboard. So I'm just wiping that down again as well. And then I'm going to go in with my spin mop, and I am going to get the rest of the floor and all of that baking soda up.
Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No we can't stay no more. Oh, come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you, I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do, let's break away. Get up, do it, break away. Get up, do it, break away. It's always mixed emotions. The first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before. Yeah.
And now I am just hanging up a new shower curtain liner and getting that put up because those are a pain in the neck, but I love the smell of like a new plastic liner. I know that's weird. Probably does anyone else like the smell of, remember when people used to have like fake grapes and things like that? I think you can still buy them at like Michael's and craft stores, but I love the smell of those. I know, so weird, but let me know if you do too. So I am just making sure we put the new liner up, and then I will put up the new, not new, well it's like new because I washed it, the shower curtain. Does anyone else wash their shower curtains like regularly? I mean, they don't really get dirty. I guess they probably get dusty and stuff, and I don't know. But I am now just using some Kaboom. I am all about natural cleaning products, but on a regular basis. But when I like deep cleaning, I use this, the blue. It like turns blue and then is white when it's clean or whatever. So I'm just using that in a scrub brush to really clean the entire tub.
Don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you, I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do, let's break away.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you would.
Now I am just deep cleaning this shelf and then that corner shelf. I do wipe them down when I clean the bathroom, but not regularly enough because there was a lot of dust, especially on like that little lighthouse, as you saw. That was disgusting. So I'm just getting everything wiped down and nice and clean.
Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make we got enough time to sort out all the fights, sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah.
All right, I am finally done. Everything is fully cleaned and like scrubbed down and deep cleaned. That's what I was trying to say. Everything is deep cleaned. Everything came out so good. It's hard to tell. It always doesn't look like I'm cleaning anything. Like I tried to show you like some of the corners and like the grout, how disgusting it was, but let me show you the floors. Like the before and after is just insane. So all of the trim is cleaned. I washed all of the curtains. I washed everything. I didn't scrub the toilet. I mean, I washed out the sink and all of that, but I had just cleaned the bathroom, but I needed to like deep clean it, and the kids also clean it, so Austin had just cleaned the toilet and like wiped the counters down, but I wiped them down again because I had stuff all over them. But the shower curtain is now clean and washed. Everything is dusted. The duster was so dirty because I did like all the corners and I did the vents and all of that. So, but it is now done. It didn't even take me that long. It took me a couple hours, but it really wasn't that bad if I was able to. I had to go pick up kids, do schoolwork, like kind of do all that in between. So if I was able to just get it done, it wouldn't be that bad. So I hope you guys enjoy this video in my spring cleaning series. I'll be going from room to room and getting them all done and deep cleaned. So I hope you guys consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.